Are you tired of manually deleting emails every day? Turn on Auto-Expunge in Gmail and never clean your inbox again. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the Auto-Expunge setting and how to enable it in just a few clicks. Start by going to your Gmail homepage. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open Settings. Now, click on See All Settings to open the full Settings menu. Next, click on Forwarding and POP/IMAP at the top bar. Scroll down to locate the IMAP Access section. Click on Auto-Expunge On to immediately update the server. Finally, click on Save Changes to apply your settings. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.